So there's a special fitting here that we need. It's either gonna be this guy or this guy. All right, I want you to start taking apart these screws. They're right here. So you're gonna pop this guy off. No, just this guy. Pull. And use that. And now start taking off those bolts on this panel. Take that panel off. It's fine. No, not the bag, the chest. The suitcase. Oh. It's either a 11 or 10. Don't know. Yeah, it's a 10. Give me the wrench. Here, you can grab this. All right, we're good here.
Well, I mean, my hand. I think everything.
Okay. See if we can try to pull it a little bit now. Can't do anything with that pipe. I was hoping that if that pipe gets hit, we'll just fix it and deal with it later. Why is that rotating? This thing doesn't want to rotate. Oh, it doesn't want to rotate. It's getting stuck. Yo, or take this cover off. Try to give us a little bit more space. Get that other bolt if you can. Technically, if we were to lift this up, can this box come off? Oh, dude, that box can come off.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, let's get that box off. Let's get that box off.
No.
No, it's yo, we can do this. Watch. This guy, and I think it was a 10, right? No, I'm pretty sure it was a 10. Unplug that thing, unplug it, yeah. Ooh, Cliff Bar.
Try it. Touch it.
I know they're good. Maybe. You manage this.
Right, tighten and untighten.
Yeah, this is tighten, yep.
Tighten it.
Yeah, keep going. Okay, hold on. I gotta pull my phone out before it breaks. Go a little more. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Why is it not on my side? Alright, hold on. No.
Tighten it.
Hold on. Oh, the foot peg. The foot peg's not. It's like it has to be uncrossed. Okay. See if it'll go down now. Let's see what Serge is doing over here. We got him installing this new contactor, motor starter, really big. This is right here. This is the old one. Yeah, it's gonna go. This one's going right in. Bam. I just got this off. We were able to pull it off with this, but these 3 bolts actually popped this guy off. So this thing gets popped off like this, but when you combine them and you tighten them down, this slides right over. It's like a clamp. So unless you push this off, this thing will not slide out. And that's exactly what was going on here. All right, so here's a new motor. And the situation that we have right now is that, if I spin this, actually probably shouldn't move it right now. This motor sits like that, but the old one had the electrical box on this end so that you can kind of work on it. Electrical box was on this end. If we were to install it like this, you're gonna have very limited space with the electrical box being on the other end. So we gotta essentially take this bell housing end off and this bell end off, slide the armature out, put it into the other side, and put them back together. We're gonna flip the orientation of the motor. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, I thought there was a shaft here. Get this from this end. I'm gonna grab it like this. Nope. Grab. On that end. Yeah, grab that. Let's get it in there. Careful. What fell out? Oh, it's
That?
no, it's supposed to be like that. All right, so put those 4 bolts in the front here. Converted. Okay. Let's start bringing it down. I'm gonna start sliding. Start bringing it down. Yep. Here, let's swap spots. Ready? Okay, go.
Let loose.
Yep. Hold on. A little at a time. Okay. That's the tough part. Slide it. Okay, go a little more. Okay, stop. Go a little more. 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 Okay, hold on. Came off the leg. A little more. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Keep going. Keep going.
The other side too.
Only thing I'm worried about is that thing shifted. The motor leg just shifted, but should be okay. Beautiful day as we're finishing up. Got a double rainbow. I don't know if you can see that. Whew, that's awesome. Look at that. Wow.